So friends, this is the second module of the same chapter articles which we had done. So here we will study that what are the uses of the article the. So there are points, you have to focus on the points and I am explaining you them one by one. So it will be clear for you that where we have to use the article the. The very first point you can see before unique objects or group of objects. Before the unique thing. Now what do we mean by unique? Unique, or we can say that universal. It means such kind of things from which the entire universe is familiar of, like your earth, your equator, the sun, the moon, the sky. This is your unique things from which the entire universe is familiar of. So before such kind of words we have to put the before them. They are group of also because they are not one, they are number of. The stars are number of those. Your universe is consisting number of things in it. So these are the things which is unique, universal. In front of them you have to use the article the. Now the second point, before a noun made definite as a result of being mentioned in the second time. So as in the previous module also I have explained you that though is a such kind of article which you have to use before the things which you have talked earlier and now you are talking for the second time. It means you have talked about those things, that person or that thing in previous before, and now for the second time you are talking about them, the same person or the same thing. So before the name of that thing you will use the. So as you can see in the example also, I saw a boy and a girl. So very first when the person saw, he mentioned a boy and a girl. But now again he is talking about the same girl and the same boy. So he, instead of saying a boy or girl, he is saying the girl was crying and the boy looked confused. The girl, it means the same girl whom he saw, and the boy is the same boy. So before the thing which you have mentioned and now you are mentioning for the second time, you will put this article the. Third one is not clear, so leave it. Now the fourth one, before a noun represent um, one particular thing. Yeah, you can say here it is a kind of noun which is talking about a particular thing. Particular thing, it means like here in the bracket it is mentioned by reason of locality. So where it is located, where it is situated, you are talking about that particular thing. Suppose for example, the mother is in the kitchen. So where is mother? Mother is in the kitchen, the same kitchen which is located that side. So whenever you are talking about anything which is having a specific location and everyone knows about that specific location, so you can use the before them. So whenever you are talking about a kind of thing which is a particular and at specific location it is, so you will use the. So as the kitchen is known by everyone in the house, it is the kitchen of the speaker's house. So he can put the before referring to that kitchen because the kitchen, the specific one which is located that side. So before a proper noun only when it is qualified by an adjective. We know what is a proper noun. Proper noun, it means particularly or specifically you are talking about anything. Particularly or specifically you are talking about anything, that is a proper. So before any proper noun, if there is an adjective, before any proper noun, if there is an adjective before that, then we have to use this article the before mentioning that noun. Suppose speaker, Shakespeare is a name, it's a proper name, and before that they have mentioned this adjective immortal. So Immortal is your adjective and your Shakespeare is your noun. So before, if such kind of proper noun is mentioned in any statement where before proper noun they have mentioned the quality, so that in that case we will mention this article the. Now, what is next? The next point is telling us about that before any superlatives or ordinals like your first, second, third, when we speak like the numbers, first, second, third. So here we should use the first chapter, the first book, the last spring. So when you are talking about the ordinals and the superlatives are your degree, comparative, superlative. So whenever you are talking about them, we will use the. Okay. Now the next one, the next point, they are saying before any singular noun, singular we know that one, before any singular noun which is representing the class or thing which is telling about the entire animal community or in the entire class, we have to put the, like the elephant is the largest animal. So here this elephant is telling about not only this particular elephant, it is mentioning about the entire elephant community. So in such case, when the singular noun is there and they are referring the entire community, in that case we will use the. The elephant is not for the same one elephant but for the entire elephant community. Now the next noun, next point. Here you can see that before an adjective to represent a class of person. So we know what is adjectives now. So before, if adjective is there, if quality is told, and that quality which is mentioning any class of person like rich or any class of person, if they are rich, it means all the rich community we are talking about. So this is the class of person and it's also an adjective because it is telling about their qualities. So in that case, we will use the. So I hope it is clear that the rich are glamorous. So it is mentioning which are the entire community. It is a quality also, it's an adjective also. In such case, we will use the. Next one, before the name of your seas, every sea, your rivers, your group of island, chain of mountain as well as desert, we will put the before them. Now when there is an abbreviation like United States of America, instead of we are commonly we used to call it USA or UK. So if any abbreviation is there, we have to put the before them, the USA, the UK, like this. Now, yes, if the surname is given and that surname is referring the entire family, so there also you will put the, like the Sharmas, the Malhotras, the whatever. So when that surname, you are not denoting for one person or two-person, Mr. Sharma and Mrs. Sharma. No. When that surname, you are referring for the entire family, like including their children and every person in the family, the Sharmas and the Malhotra, you will speak like them. When you are not talking about one person of the family, you are representing the entire family. And the last one, your building name, your hotels, your restaurants, museum, theaters, cinemas, before the name of them, you will use the, because you are highlighting that. Next one is there you can see, sorry, next one is here you can see the name of newspaper. All your newspapers you will start with the. And when you are talking about any races, ethnic groups or communities like Sikh, Chinese or English, there you will put the. Holy books, the name of your holy books, Ramayana, Mahabharat or Bible, you will put the before them. And all the name of your inventions, there also you will put the, like who invented the airplane, this way. And the last one, before the dates, date, you know, before writing any date you have to use the. So this was your entire video for the uses of the article. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.